Uh-oh. Yo, you better not run a faster time than a 10.7.
Uh-oh.
I would be so mad. See what he runs.
What is up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well in good spirits. This video is brought to you by GT500 giveaway.com. Every $10 spent is entered to win. All right, let's swap keys with Steph and see if we can convert each other's camps. We're going to show my fame how to drive this red eye. If I get a better time than him, I'm not going to hope that go over well. What's the best time? A 10.7 today?
Yeah, 10.7.
All right. And to get my mount. These mounts are for sale at mamamerch.com.
Not run a faster time than a 10.7. Uh-oh. I would be so mad.
Very easy car to drag race. Like, I want to do that again. Let's see what our time was. I can see the appeal. I can see the appeal in this car. It's roomy as all hell, and I'm mad comfortable right now, and that was a really easy pass. In direct comparison to the Mustang mode, setting up for drag strip, it's a little more finicky. This was pretty easy. I hold the SRT button down, we turn off traction control, and then Steph said, don't worry about line lock, do your own thing, which we did, and car felt great. So she's a big girl, you can feel the booty. I will say that, like, it's not like the 500. When I'm taking that turn, you feel that weight, that inertia. But this is a straight line car, but I can see why these are such an appeal for people to drag race. So let's see what our time was. We just went 10.7 at 129 with a 1.560. So
That was a good one. That was a good one. Let's see what happens. This time we're gonna go off idle and see if we get a better 60 foot. Oh my God, look at all the rubber on the exhaust tips. I got a lot of cleaning to do later. What mode are you in?
I'm in track mode.
All right, we'll try it in track mode.
All right, we're off idle, off idle.
Yeah, let's see what happens. 60 foot was the same.
Easy car. Super easy. Let's see what we ran.
Nah, it went slower. It went slower. The other mode I had it in is better. All right, so you're gonna do a third one now. Like I said, these cars you can hot lap. It's a stock car, so. Other mode, put it back in other mode and go off the foot brake. It ran slower.
All right, all right.
It ran a 10 slower.
10 slower. All right, so we're.
So put it back in the custom mode. Okay, you back in custom, traction off. Okay, it's perfect.
Okay.
And go off the foot brake again.
All right, we'll go off foot brake.
RPM out of the foot brake.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
I gotta check because you got an option of different gear ratios.
Check.
I think mine might have the 262s.
By the way, like as it's going down the track, it's snapping. It's not a smooth shift. Is that normal?
No, that's normal.
Okay, all right.
These cars, they shift hard.
Okay, all right.
That part is normal.
Just wanted to make
the
sure.
The way it's leaving is not normal.
It's not doing that thing.
Jumping like
yeah, it's not jumping.
I'm handicapped. I in the water? Yep, you in the water. Go ahead. Just spin it one time. Alright, good. Now you can do your burnout. You're a little crooked, but you'll get it.
Oh, yeah.
These cars do good burnouts. Holy.
I love that drama.
Tires. So
that was a bad run. Well, I think I'm going to end it here. The car is getting a little hot, a little mad at me. Really appreciate and respect the Mopar brand and what they're doing with the red eyes. A lot of red eyes out here run crazy times. But it seems that, like, from what I've seen, anywhere from a 10.7 to a 10.9 is what these cars do stock with a tire. From a 10.4 to a 10.3 or 10.5 to a 10.3, and then you start tuning them and they go crazy. So anyways, thank you for Modifying giving me a chance. I appreciate it. We had a good time. Never ends. Peace. Steph felt bad that he lost, so he's like, listen, I want to feel the power of the Hulk. Teach him how to do it, and we look forward to his commentary.
If I spin, that's a good race.
The car is still set up. I'll show you exactly what to do.
Okay. Huh? When you got a GT500, you're legit a drag race. For real, for real.
Drag race life.
I see that.
All right, just and you take a car.
And you sit with the seat back like you gates. Wow, I didn't know Stangmode was a G.
Hey, you know, it's a secret life. But all you gotta do is very simple. I'll teach you how to do everything, and you should be good to go. This is flawless right now.
All right, guys. So,
all right.
Again.
There's only one key. Nothing crazy.
No red key, no black key.
Just hit the little red button. All right. Now you're going to, on your right side, the right toggle only goes up. It doesn't go down. Click that up to drag mode. I'll tell you when you're in drag mode. One more, drag mode. All right, let that go ahead. You're in drag mode.
Okay.
So what we'll do is this. We're going to go and set you up so you have line lock, track apps. Line lock is ready. All right, well, box.
All right, cool.
See what he do. He's having fun, I can tell. Hold it down. Hold it down, okay.
Yeah, it's better.
Yeah, we lowered the Mod to Fame. We're excited to see his reaction. He ran 10.7, 133.99 at with the 1.760. Not bad.
Remember with the higher RPM.
Yeah, remember we put the RPM down about 400.
Yeah,
so.
I would have loved to feel the other way.
The prep is a little bit low. We'll do it again. We're gonna do it again.
Yo, man, he's fun. The car is fun to drive.
Yeah.
Don't get it to us. It's very fun to drive. I said it in your camera. I said, Mustang fans, you got me.
No, it's good.
And what I said was the HELLCAT is fast off the line. Like,
Yep.
You felt that.
Yeah, exactly.
Like the first 3
Initial,
years,
yeah.
it's like holy shit, and then you feel as it goes down
It
the
starts
track,
to calm.
it starts to taper off.
Yeah. This
car
thing
is the opposite.
Yep.
It leaves the line slow, and
Yep.
as it goes down the track, it increases
Exactly.
in velocity. So
You can feel it starting to get angrier. You're like,
Yes.
okay, I see you picking it up.
yo, bro, I know we're gonna do a roll race.
Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah, it picks up in a mile an hour.
I'm gonna put my street tires back on.
All right.
Then we'll do a roll race.
Yeah, okay.
And
We got, well, yeah, April's coming up too, so.
yeah, we'll get it done.
The saga continues. You know it never ends.
Yo, I'll see you this weekend.
All right, bro.